Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for 5th standard. Children, in the previous class we learnt about meaning of fraction. Write fraction for the given situation. Compare the fractions having equal denominator and equal numerator. Identify the greater or smaller fractions. In this class we will learn about understand the meaning of equivalent fraction. Write equivalent fraction for a given fraction. Children, today we will learn equivalent fraction. See this rectangle. This is divided into 3 parts. One part is shaded. So the fraction form will be 1 by 3. Now we will divide the same figure into another 2 parts. Now we have 6 parts. 2 parts are shaded. Now the fraction form will be 2 by 6. Now we will divide the same figure into 3 parts. Now we have 9 parts. 3 parts are shaded. Now the fraction form will be 3 by 9. Now we will divide the figure into 4 parts. Now we have 12 parts. 4 parts are shaded. Now the fraction form will be 4 by 12. All these are equivalent fractions. Thus we say two or more fractions that show the same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions. That is 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 6 equals to 3 by 9 equals to 4 by 12. Now I will tell you some important points. If the two fractions are cross multiplied and the products are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. If the two fractions are cross multiplied and the products are not equal, then the fractions are not equivalent. Children, now we should write the next 3 equivalent fractions. The first question is 2 by 5. They have already given second fraction. Now we should write the third fraction. If we want the next equivalent fraction, we should multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator from 3. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 5 multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15. The next equivalent fraction is 6 by 15. Now we should find the next equivalent fraction. Now we will multiply the numerator and denominator from 4. 2 4s are 8. 5 4s are 20. The next equivalent fraction is 8 by 20. Now we should find the next equivalent fraction. Now we will multiply the numerator and denominator from 5. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. The next equivalent fraction is 10 by 25. Therefore, the equivalent fractions of 2 by 5 are 4 by 10, 6 by 15, 8 by 20, 10 by 25. Children, see the next question, that is 3 by 8. They have already given second fraction. Now we should write the third fraction. If we want the next equivalent fraction, we should multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator from 3. 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. The next equivalent fraction is 9 by 24. Now we should find the next equivalent fraction. Now we will multiply the numerator and denominator from 4. 3 4s are 12. 8 4s are 32. The next equivalent fraction is 12 by 32. Now we should find the next equivalent fraction. Now we will multiply the numerator and denominator from 5. 3 5s are 15. 8 5s are 40. The next equivalent fraction is 15 by 40. Therefore, the equivalent fractions of 3 by 8 are 6 by 16, 9 by 24, 12 by 32, 15 by 40. Children, now we should verify if the two given fractions are equivalent or not. To do this, we should cross multiply the numerators and denominators. First we have 3 by 5 and 18 by 30. Here we should multiply 3 and 30. 3 multiplied by 30 is equals to 90. Now we should multiply 5 and 18. 5 multiplied by 18 is equals to 90. Now we got the two products as 90. Both are equal. Therefore, 3 by 5 and 18 by 30. Both the fractions are equivalent. Children, see the next question. 12 by 17 and 8 by 20. Here also we should do cross multiplication. First we should multiply 12 and 20. 12 multiplied by 20 is equals to 240. Next we should multiply 17 and 8. 17 multiplied by 8 is equals to 136. Now the products are different. Therefore 12 by 17 and 8 by 20, both the fractions are not equivalent. Children, now we should find the numerator or the denominator. Here the question is 4 by 7. The numerator should be 16. In 4 tables, where do we get 16? Yes, 4 fours are 16. So we should multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 is already given. 7 fours are 28. So the equivalent fraction will be 16 by 28. Here the denominator should be 21. In 7 tables, where do we get 21? Yes, 7 threes are 21. So we should multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. 4 threes are 12. 7 threes are 21. So the next equivalent fraction will be 12 by 21. Children, now we should reduce each of the following fractions into its lowest form. Children, first we have 8 by 16. We should find the tables in which both the numbers are there. In which tables do we get 8 and 16? Yes, in 8 tables. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by 8. 8 divided by 8 is equals to 1. 16 divided by 8 is equals to 2. Therefore, the lowest form of 8 by 16 is 1 by 2. The next question is 5 by 10. We should find the tables in which both the numbers are there. In which tables do we get 5 and 10? Yes, in 5 tables. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by 5. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. Therefore, the lowest form of 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. The next question is 4 by 20. We should find the tables in which both the numbers are there. In which tables do we get 4 and 20? Yes, in 4 tables. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by 4. 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. Therefore, the lowest form of 4 by 20 is 1 by 5. Children, see the next question. 12 by 16. We should find the tables in which both the numbers are there. In which tables do we get 12 and 16? Yes, in 4 tables. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by 4. 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. Therefore, the lowest form of 12 by 16 is 3 by 4. Children, do this homework. Write the next 3 equivalent fraction of 9 by 11. Second main, are the two fractions equivalent? Check it. 2 by 7 and 7 by 21. Second one, 5 by 11 and 25 by 55.